Hi all, it's Teresa in Gemma's house. Well, I'm going to start on a pretty big project. I want to make a faux fireplace and eventually a masonry wall in my living room. This is a pretty plain builder grade living room. I used to have a nice brick wall in a few of my previous homes, and it adds so much personality and charm and warmth. So what I'm thinking of doing, this is my TV stand. It was a faux fireplace. It was an electric unit, and I'm not going to use that. But I'm going to take apart this and build a faux fireplace of my own. And I would like to add a masonry wall. And I'm not sure if I want like a stone look or brick, but there are so many choices available on Amazon. And I'm looking at all the different options, and I still haven't decided what I want to do. I originally was thinking of putting it on this wall, and that idea was interesting too. And this was one of my original ideas of how I could make my own fireplace out of this unit. And I haven't decided on anything for sure yet. Okay, so I got a basic shell together. Okay, I wanted to see what the fireplace unit will look like on this wall. And I like this arrangement because it gives me this area and this area to put the couch. If I have the fireplace unit on this wall, I'm limited to a couch position here and here. And in both of those cases, part of the couch is right here. So, since this is not a really large room, and the dining area and living room and kitchen are all here, I want to try to make it look as open and airy as possible. So this does give me that option to keep the couch in this area, and this is all open then. This seems to work, and it's not the most ideal because the couch is fairly close to the fireplace unit, but it's not like there's going to be burning logs in here. This is purely decorative, and I'm going to make it look built into the wall, but I will have the option of being able to move it from one wall to another or to another room if I wanted. My next step will be to start adding drywall compound on the fireplace face and sides to try to make it look like stucco. Okay, so I put the drywall compound on pretty thickly in some areas, and as it was drying, it cracked, but it seems like it's still all stable and it's not going to fall off. So I'm just going to add some caulking in those areas to cover the cracks. Let it dry, and then I can paint this. Okay, so I'm finished, and I'm actually really happy with the way it turned out. So like I mentioned before, this doubles as my TV stand. And when I'm finished painting these living room walls, I'll add a bead of caulk on both sides here to make it look more built into the wall. I'm going to leave this area of the wall unpainted because eventually I want to do some masonry-like treatment here on this wall. But I really do like the way it turned out. I have some faux painting everywhere, and I love faux painting projects, so this was really fun. So if you like this video, can I please ask you to give it a thumbs up? That really helps my YouTube channel to grow. And I would really welcome reading your comments. So thanks again for watching. Until next week, bye-bye.